This New Jersey State trooper was called to assist on a routine call. What the trooper didn't know is that one of them would not survive the night.
What's up, partner? How you doing? Yeah. All right, listen, like I told you on the phone.
Yeah, but there's more y'all can do because I talked to another officer, so you're lying to me.
I'm not lying to you. There's no reason to lie to you.
Yes.
I cannot force her to give this stuff back.
This is my property. My stuff was here.
What is it, a dirt bike?
Yes.
All right.
And
is she inside?
The same, yes.
What's her name?
Yes. I would like back up here.
Back up?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're sitting here lying.
I'm not lying to you. I'm going to go talk to her. She's inside?
You are lying, officer.
I'm a trooper, not an officer. Where are the dirt bikes?
The dirt bike's right there. Got stolen. And the officers was willing to help me out. But the bike was gone.
Where is it?
It's right here. So from my future past, the same situation, that's why I know you're lying.
Okay.
You are lying.
All right.
The bike's right here. And I have the title right here.
I'm guessing she pulled the car up like that to,
Yes.
Let me see the title. So the title don't even have your name on it.
Officer.
What's your name?
Want me sign my name?
What's your name?
Daniel King.
All right.
So why are you doing this to me?
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
How do I get to her? This door?
Yes. Why are you acting stupid, dog?
You stay back here, because I'm not going to listen to you two fight if things aren't civil here.
No, I live here. So I'm more than welcome just like you are.
Then what's the issue with the dirt bike if you live here?
The issue is I'm getting my stuff so I can be about my business.
All right.
So it won't be a problem.
You just go down there.
No, I don't. Because you're causing a problem. And I will sue the hell out of you.
Go ahead.
All right. What's your badge number? Hold on, let me record this.
Is she home?
What's your badge number, officer?
8847.
8847. So I'm not allowed to get my dirt bike?
I'm trying to talk to her to see what's going on.
You're not trying. Officer, you are not trying.
All right.
Where are you trying to get my property? I'm glad you did this. Because I'm about to be a fucking millionaire.
Okay.
Okay, yes, okay. I'm about to be a millionaire. This is the last job. A millionaire. You know that? Thank you. Thank you. Racist ass cop. Yo, bro, we rich forever. You hear that? I'm rich forever. Rich.
All right, sir.
Bro, paid. I'm getting a lawyer and I'm paid.
All right, so
Paid.
just to clarify.
I am paid. Thank the Lord.
Just to clarify.
I'm rich.
This is your.
I'm rich. Rich.
I'm trying to talk to you.
Call backup. Can I have backup? This officer right here will not get me back up. He won't get me back up, and he's going to jail. Thank the Lord. Yo, we rich. What kind of bike you?
Go ahead.
He won't allow me to get my bike.
What's going on? He lives here?
Yeah.
All right. Is his here? Because I just knocked on the door and no one answered.
They're here.
All right. Are they here? Are they not dating?
Thank the
Are you
Lord.
still...
I got my blessing today. I prayed on this.
Dude, I'm trying to talk
I've been
to
working
you.
hard. I've been working fucking hard.
All right.
Yes. I've been
Listen.
working hard for this. Thank the Lord.
Here's
Bro,
what
you want me to kiss your boots? Can I kiss them?
Can
I kiss your boots?
No.
Please?
Here's where we're at.
Can I? It ain't where we at. It's where I'm at.
Listen, I tried knocking on the door.
Yeah,
She didn't answer.
Yeah, I'm rich. Can you believe this, bro? I'm rich.
Do you have a phone number for her?
Yo. Yes, I do.
All right.
Here, you want the phone number?
Yep.
Because I'm rich forever. Thank the Lord. Thank you. Bro, my job. I'm rich. Rich from a racist officer. Thank you.
What's her phone number?
You don't fucking need it. I'm rich, bro. She rich too. I'm going to give her some money.
All right.
Yo, come outside.
Why is he acting like this? Listen, like I told him on the phone, civil issue, right? He's telling me he lives here too, that they're... I cannot force her to give him that bike. Like,
He got the title and everything, though. I don't know.
I know, but he said he lives here. The bike's here. Like, I don't...
He about to sell it to me. I'm buying the bike off of him.
And I knocked on the door. She didn't answer. Like, he didn't give me her phone number when I asked for it on the phone.
Well, can we just take it over the car?
Well, no, then you're going to damage your car.
Guess what? I'm getting married today. I'm getting married. I'm quitting my job. You hear me? I'm quitting my fucking job.
Let me try and talk to her.
No, you dumb. Fucking dumb. What drug are you on?
All right.
What drug are you on? Huh? Because I'm rich forever.
Get out of my face, dude.
No, I don't got to get out of your face. And I don't got to let you in this fucking car. You're going to jail.
Why are you acting like this?
Because I'm acting like this because this is what happens when people get money and they rich forever. Yo, my last name is King.
All right.
King.
All right, dude.
King.
Listen.
You know you fucking with a god.
All right, I'm going to go talk.
No, ain't no talking. I'm rich forever.
All right, man.
Rich.
All right.
This is the law.
All right.
The law that you just fucked up.
All right.
Shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot.
Shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot.
Dude, shoot me.
Yeah, can you get your...
Bro, ain't no getting me. Shoot me. Bitch, shoot me. You a bitch ass cop.
Yo.
Yo, do
Get out of
something.
my face, dude.
Bro,
Yeah, get your...
yo, ain't no getting me. He can't do shit. And I'm on camera. Get this recorded. Can you record this? Record it. Record it.
8847. Can I get another
Yeah,
broken car?
can we get another backup? Because somebody's going to jail, and it ain't me, bitch. How about that one? How about that one? Let's fight. I'll take the charge, because you know what?
Yo,
Take the charge.
come on, dude.
I did everything. Shoot me, bitch.
No, I'm not shooting you.
Yeah, officer, cop,
Dude,
beat
turn
my
around.
ass.
Turn around.
Beat me.
Turn around,
Beat
dude.
me. Beat me. Beat me.
Turn
Beat me.
around. I'm not...
Yeah, that's all I want. Get off me, bro. That's all I want. What are you doing, dude? No, forever. He won't even shoot me. I'm waiting on this punk ass like you. I mean, yeah, back up, bitch. I'm rich. You got me here. You got me. You won. You won. Yeah, Papa. Papa. Papa, we rich. Go away, Papa. We rich. We rich. We rich. Yeah, we rich. I work for the claim. Call her. Papa. Papa. You rich. Listen to me. Listen to me. Papa. Officer. Papa.
Right.
Yo. Yo.
I got him. I got him.
Yo. You lying. You know?
¿Papel para darle?
I work for the claim.
I will pick it up the paper.
Papa. I work at the thing too. I'm not lying. You're the cop. You're the cop. Look at my deal. Yo.
Call EMS out here.
Yo. No.
Hector, call EMS.
Yo, leave. Phone off the other. My phone off.
You okay? All right, you can still breathe normally? All right, not hard breathing? All right. It's just me and him. His friend was over there. He's probably the one who took off.
Where's his friend?
What again?
His friend hit you? It was just him?
Just him? Yeah, his friend was here, but he left.
Got some guys just left.
No, the Mexicans helped me with him.
First? Yep.
I told you that. Sit down.
You trying to set me up, bro?
Sit up, bro.
You drug me. Yeah, bro, I'm your family, dog.
Yeah.
Don't do this. Don't do this, bro.
He's good.
I'm your family, dog. You rich. I want to help that too. Bro. I'm telling you, we're gonna be best friends and we're gonna be rich forever. Yep. Look it up. Look it up. No, bro. Don't go out like this. You told me that. No, we can't. Bro. No. Rich, I want a demon too.
Close that one.
I want a demon too.
All right, come on, bro.
No. I'm tired. Yo. Come on, just sit in.
You're making this worse. Just sit
No,
in.
I'm not.
Am I going on the other side?
Do what you gotta do, bro.
There you go.
Pause real quick. All right, we're good.
Where is it? Hold on, here. Hold on. Pull him back. Go, go.
Lauren, stay in here. You hear me? Stay
Go, close, close.
in here. For what, dude? What's this for? You're going to the station anyway. You're processed. It's over. That's it. All right?
You want to get sprayed?
No, I do not.
Get in the car then.
Let's go.
Get in the car. Let's go.
All right.
Try to one more focus.
Daniel?
Grab one there.
Get in the car now.
Full time. 9088. A black male. And vehicle
We need one somebody here.
49 Alpha. Not seatbelted in.
Pull him out that way.
This way. His head's right here.
We just
Stay
drag him
away
out.
from his feet. We just drag him out.
Because he might use his legs, so if his head is already over here, let's just
Yeah,
pull him out
if you're
that way.
okay with that.
Yeah, whatever you guys think.
All right.
Ready?
All right, get them all.
Come on.
He's been there for the search. We're good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Come on, guys. Come on. Watch that first feedback.
Sit up.
Yeah.
Sit him up. Yep, got sit up. Daniel reached the